What's the difference between to go and to going? Hello everyone and welcome to my English planet. How are you doing? I hope you're doing fine and you're alright. Well, as I said, today we're gonna discuss to go versus to going. To plus the base form of a verb and to plus verb plus ing. Well, we all know that to is usually followed by the base form of a verb, like to go, to study, to sleep. So then what is to going? Is to followed by a base verb or an ing verb. Well, the correct answer is both of them. And in the next 2 minutes, just 2 minutes, I will show you exactly how. So, I'm going to explain this grammar question and I want you to watch the entire lesson. It's gonna be really helpful. So, let's go. Here is the timer. Let's go. So, to go or to going. Sometimes we use two verbs together in English. But we cannot use two base forms together, like I want go, I enjoy read. No, they're not correct. The second verb must be in a special form, either an infinitive or a gerund, like I want to go, I enjoy reading. An infinitive is to plus the base form of a verb, to go, to study, to eat. A gerund is a verb ending in ing, studying, eating, going. So some verbs are followed by infinitives, some are followed by gerunds, like I want to go. She decided to stay. We hope to see you soon. Gerunds, I enjoy reading. He finished doing his homework, or they avoid eating junk food. So what is to going? To plus ing. Well, look at the word I want. Want is the main verb, and after want, we always use infinitives. To plus something. I want to go, to study, to sleep, to write. But sometimes the preposition to belongs to the expression, belongs to that verb, like look forward to. After this verb, we have to use, an infinitive or a gerund. So I can say, I look forward to go. I look forward to going. I have to choose one of them. Well, I think it's not good to say, I look forward to go. No, I look forward to going. Or for example, be used to. I am used to waking up early. Here to is not for the infinitive. It belongs to this expression. Oh my god, I have to explain a little more. So, to in I am used to belongs to I am used to. It is not for the next verb. It is not for the infinitive. So after this expression, be used to, we use gerunds or get used to. I am getting used to wake up or waking up. Well, waking up. I am getting used to waking up early. And finished. And that's it. I tried to explain to plus ing versus to plus the base verb in only 2 minutes and a few seconds more, but I think it was helpful and understandable enough for you. So now I'm gonna give you 2 questions. First, let's fill in the blanks together. Then I'm gonna ask you to go to the comment section and write the answers of these 2 questions for me. Number 1, what do you want to after the class? Fill in the blanks with do, okay? So you can use the base form or the ing form. What do you want to after the class or after this lesson? And number 2, what do you look forward to next week? I think you have answered them right now, so let's check them together. Number 1, what do you want to do after the class? And number 2, what do you look forward to doing next week? Look forward to doing. Okay? So now go to the comments and write your answers for me. I'm gonna check them for you and tell you whether they're right or not. So that's it. I explained today's grammar lesson. I hope it was useful for you. And if it was so, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. So I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!